Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start directly. Force stop the app, then reopen to see if the hang is transient. This removes stalled threads. Once done, clear the app cache from Settings, Apps, Storage. That removes corrupted temporary files which often cause crashes. Next, reboot the phone so background services restart clean. Many issues vanish after a single reboot. If you're using a third-party launcher or battery saver, disable them temporarily to rule out interference before moving to deeper steps. Now focus on updates and permissions. Update the problem app from Play Store. Outdated builds crash under new system libraries. If unavailable, reinstall the APK. Then, inspect MIUI permissions and battery optimization. Make sure the app has necessary permissions and is excluded from aggressive background restrictions that kill processes. To isolate conflicts, boot into safe mode. If the app works there, a third-party app is the culprit. Finally, note version numbers so you can report bugs accurately if needed. Finish with decisive actions. Reset app preferences or uninstall app updates to revert to a stable state, then test. If crashes continue across multiple apps, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This clears deep configuration issues but is a last resort. Make sure you back up photos, contacts, and key settings first. If problems still occur after reset, collect crash logs, note exact steps to reproduce, and contact the app developer or MIUI support for follow-up. They can use logs to fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.